I know what you guys are thinking, Shein haul in the middle of pandemic. Hey guys, this is Harshila and welcome back to my channel. I know what you guys are thinking, Shein haul in the middle of pandemic, but hear me out. Let me just explain myself. So I got these things. I ordered it before I went to Jaipur, I think, which was around Feb. Then I went to Jaipur and I think COVID was like really severe back then in China. So I got my product like pretty late, I think in March, and I was planning on putting out this video in and around March, and it got pretty worse here and all my things were back at my place, and because of the lockdown I couldn't really visit or I just couldn't really film this video. So the other day, after 2 months, when I was just like exhausted and I literally had nothing to wear and it was really getting to me, and I also didn't have my tripod, which was also really tiring. So I thought I should just go and get my things. So the other day I went there and I got all the essential things that I needed, and I also got my Shein package here so that I sit down and film this for you guys. I'm not sure if the things would be available right now, but yeah, I still thought I should sit down and talk to you guys about whatever I got. So I'm just going to do that, and yeah, I hope you enjoy this video. So without further ado, let's just get into it. So the very first thing that I got a lot of tops this time. Back when I got it. So this is the first top. It's a very nice everyday sort of a top. The reason I got it is for the color. I really like such muted colors. So this is why I got it. However, I'm not really happy about the fit. I don't know. I think the fit could have been a lot better. Like, I like my t-shirts like pretty like well fitted, and this is okay. I may have to go and alter it. So yeah, and it also has a knot here, so I thought it would be like really well fitted with the knot, but that's not how it looks on me. It looks a little fugly. So yeah, this is the first one that I got. The next thing that I got is again a shirt, which I really liked on the website when I saw it, and also because of the color. I think this color, like the mint color, is so in for spring and summer 2020, even though we are not really having summer, and we just had like a bit of spring. On the website it looked really satiny and like really nice, but in person when I like feel this, it's not really satin. It's definitely a blend of like something, but I don't know what, and I don't know. I'm holding it in my hand and I can tell you that, oh my god, you're gonna sweat so much in this. Like, it's not at all like airy or breezy. So yeah, but I really like the color. With white pants or like white shorts, this will look so nice. Even with jeans for that matter, I think it's really nice. So it also has these tie-ups, so it's like a shirt and then you tie it up. You can wear it like that, or you can also wear it like a crop top. You can just basically knot it around your boobs, and I think that would also look really nice. Like, I tried it and I like it that way, so I think I'm gonna wear it that way. So yeah, this is how it looks. Not really happy about the material, but the color is beautiful. The next thing that I got is another top. It's such a pretty and such a beautiful top. I didn't expect it to be this nice, but it's really nice. It also has like pads inside it, so you don't really have to worry about wearing a bra inside. You can just pretty much wear this and you're good to go. However, this is a little loose for me. But I can work with it. You can definitely wear this when you're like heading out at night, if you are and whenever we are allowed. Then yeah, I think it would look really nice with like leather skirt or something like that. It would look beautiful. So can be a little too deep for some people, but for me it's perfect. Like, I wouldn't mind showing like that bit of cleavage. So if you are comfortable, you can definitely go ahead and try this. You wouldn't regret it. Like, I love this. It's really nice. It's definitely something that I see myself wearing a lot. Okay, the next thing that I got is another basic piece. It's just a white top. I saw something similar in Zara back then. Then I got it on Shein. It's just a crew neck sort of a t-shirt, but it's sleeveless and also has like really huge armholes, so it looks really nice. But I don't know, on me it didn't look like that good. I think I'll have to try it again. Like when I was trying it on for you guys, I mean, I don't know, I didn't like it as much, so I think I'll have to like wear it again and see how it looks. I'm not too sure how I feel about it. It's like an okay purchase. I'm not too happy about it or not too sad about it. It's basic, so something that you can reach out whenever you feel like. And I'm in the size medium. Yeah, I think probably that's it. Doesn't fit me that right. I think I should have gone for small. Maybe then it would have fit me like really well, like very well fitted. Next thing that I got is something similar to what I just showed you, but I got it in black. Now I really wanted to get my hands on a black ganji or like just a black sleeveless top, so when I saw this I got this. Firstly, oh my god, the material is such a like a jersey material. It's not like cotton or a blend of cotton. I really like the fit of it and also the look of it. So yeah, it can be again a little too deep, but again for me it's fine. I wouldn't say too deep, but yeah, it is a little okay. I'm in the size medium now. See, like I'm in the size medium, but like this fits me, but the one that I showed you earlier is a little loose, so with Shein you can never know. But next up I got two bralettes. Now I thought these would be like bralettes and not bras, but these are like kind of like a bra only, so you basically put it on like a traditional bra as you would normally do. And yeah, I thought that this would look nice, but I tried it on. Obviously I don't have a try on clip for it, so the whole point of getting this was so that I can wear it inside other tops that are see-through, but I mean, because of this thing right here, it makes it like way too cleavagey and I don't like it. So what's the point of wearing it inside of another top, like if you can still see stuff? So I think if I cut this off, maybe then it will look a little better. I don't know, I'll have to experiment and see, but that's what this is about. But are these jeans? These are just like regular jeans but in white. Actually these are not regular jeans, these are like really wide mom jeans, and you guys know how much I like mom jeans, so that's why I got it. But oh my god, it's like really loose on me, and I know that when I get things from Shein, I'm a medium for like bottom wear, so I think I got it in medium only. Yeah, I'm in medium, but then I don't know, it doesn't really fit me, so whenever the lockdown gets over I will go and tailor it a bit around my waist. Otherwise I really like the look of it, and also it is a little long, but I think if I fold it, which I mostly do with like my mom jeans, I do fold them, then they look a little too baggier and I just like the look of it, so I think I'm gonna do that. But yeah, this is how they look and I think they're fine. Like what can I say, just a mom jeans. So yeah, if you want you can check it out. So I've been wanting to get like a beige colored trouser. I mean, I think neutrals look like so beautiful, so I really wanted to do that, but I couldn't find it on Shein. So this is something that I found and I really liked it. I think it would look so nice with like black bodysuit, or I mean, I don't know, I'm really into, I told you right, I'm really into like tailored and like really structured pants, and this is one of those. I really like it. It looks really nice on me and it fits me also very very nicely. Again, it is a little too long I think, but again something that I can totally work with. And I also like the material. I mean, it's just the polyester, like, you know, if you have shopped on Shein you would know the material, so it's just like that. With like Shein and me, I know that whenever I buy bottom wear I do have to tailor it quite a bit. So matlab मैंने hopes ही छोड़ दिए. Like I never think like, okay, like I never think when I'm ordering कि ये मुझे अच्छे से बैठेगा. I always know that there's something or the other I have to do, so that's fine. But I really like the color of it. I mean, it's just too good. Like I love it. Next thing is this top that I'm wearing right now. I think it's a very very nice top and I love it. I think it's a self-ribbed sort of a top. It looks so nice. The reason why I like it, it's for its straps. I mean, they're really thick, and yeah, I love to live in camis, and this is just like a different version of it, and I love it. I tried this with those pants and I think it looked amazing together, so I'm really excited to actually wear this outside, or I can wear it with my normal jeans as well. Okay, next thing that I got is this bodysuit, which, oh my god, I think I saw it on That Boho Girl, like Kritika wearing it, but we ordered it around the same time, but hers arrived first, I think, and she got it from AliExpress and I got it from Shein. It's this one. Oh my god, I love this so much, but it is so risky, I feel, to actually wear it outside, but I love it. I mean, I don't know if I'll ever wear it outside, but just as is, like, it's so beautiful. It's the most beautiful piece of clothing I've seen. It's so pretty and so delicate. Oh my god. And these strings also, like, it's just so stringy. It's like, I think for me, yeah, it is a little too risky, but someday if I gain the courage to do so, I will probably. But it's really nice. You can pair it again, you can wear it with a leather skirt and just head out. Oh my god, it will look so nice. And yeah, even though it's like completely see-through, but if you wear something really high-waisted, it's gonna look perfect. Like, only your midriff would be like visible, and it's just too good. Okay, the next thing that I got is again something similar, but it's in white. This is something that I can totally wear. I got that white bralette to wear underneath this, but yeah, that was kind of a disaster, I think. So I'm not trying this on for you guys, but I think this is also really nice if I wear it with a white cami or like a white bandeau, or even if a white crop top, like a strappy white crop top. I think it's look really nice. So yeah, I'm looking forward. Or even something with pink, yeah, or it also has grey. I think it would look really nice. So those are all the things that I got from Shein this time. As I said, like, it was really tedious and tiring for me to actually even get these things, because every time, so I take a lot of time, okay, and this is just my experience. I feel like shopping on Shein is like so much more tiring than actually heading out to a mall and getting stuff, because there are just so many things on Shein. But still, yeah, but when I was shopping, I think I would like put things in my cart and then sleep, and the next day my entire cart would be like out of stock. Don't even get me started on the number of times I've gone through the app and filtered things and like added to my cart. It was just a very long process. So I am very sure that most of these things wouldn't be available, but I still hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you did, then you know the drill. Like, share, comment, and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, as it would mean the world to me. So please go ahead and do that. And that being said, I will definitely see you next time. Bye. Ask me how I do it, I just stick to the plan.